Hello friends, this is your friend Professor Iqbal here. Once again, I welcome all of you to my one more episode of lecture. In this episode, particularly, we will discuss what is a personality or how a personality of a person does matter. And simultaneously, we will also study how our personality can be improved or what actually is the concept of personality development. Dear friends, many of you might have heard about it. Many of you might have seen experts giving lecture. So what actually is personality development? Let us understand. The word personality is a noun which refers to a person's overall behavior. Okay, how he interacts with people, how he carries the positive thought, how he carries the confidence level, what is the approach towards other, how does he have, okay, getting along capacity with others. There are n number of factors. Some are born to lead, some are kind hearted, some are rash, some of them they are okay very weak. So all these traits somewhere categorize all these four personalities into four different areas. So in this effort, particularly, we are going to study, in this effort, we are going to study how our personality can be improved. Now let us start. Suppose if A, B, C, these are the three areas, and if you are good at A areas, like in social relationship with your friends, okay, relationship with your parents, relationship with somebody else, if you are good at that, and if you are not good at, okay, getting along with people, you are not good at spoken skills, if you are not good at convincing others, okay, if you are not good at attracting more customers, attracting more job opportunities, okay, then the next part comes. Okay, whatever areas, okay, apart from these two are not, okay, sufficient in you, are not, okay, enough in you. So you have to work in that area, you have to work in that area and you have to improve. Okay, now suppose I am a topper, I study, okay, hard, and I do not get good marks. I am unable to communicate with people. If my character, my personality doesn't, okay, impress other, so I need to work in this area and I need to brush up my knowledge about this. But always remember, there can be same personality of two different zodiac signs. There can be same personality of two different zodiac signs, or unlike there can be, okay, one personality of two zodiac sign having different traits and characteristics. These characteristics make us understand that though they belong to the same zodiac sign, their personality matters, their personality is different. And having studied this, it's very important for us to understand that some are born to be leader. You can take the example of MS Dhoni. You can take the example of Tata. You can take the example of Ambani. You can take the example of any prime minister, any president. They're born to lead. They have those skills. They have those qualities, and they are, okay, born with those qualities if they pursue it from their forefathers. Now, this is how you can categorize yourself. And there are some other personalities, like you can take a social worker, okay, Baba Amte. You can take any other, okay, we can have Jyotiba Phule also. Okay, these social workers, they are born with those innate feelings to help others. Okay, they do not mind in disturbing the peace of other people or other creature. Simultaneously, you might have come across, okay, very aggressive and rash personality. There are some people who always fight. There are some people who always go against each other's opinion. These rash and aggressive personalities would ruin their culture, would ruin their character, and somewhere it leads to their disturbance. Now, what about amicable or amiable characters? These amiable characters, they are very kind-hearted, they are very generous, Take the example of Sachin Tendulkar. Take the example of Karna. They are amiable character, always happy to help other, always ready to get along with others. They never try to harm anyone. So we have thought about what? The leader, okay, characteristic. Then we have thought about what? Aggressive characteristic. Then we have thought about what? Okay, we talked also about amiable or friendly characters. So this was an effort from my side to make you understand what is the personality of a person and how this personality can be improved in course of time. Thank you everyone. We will meet in the next episode of this lecture. Have a good day.